afraid just to say a hello.
Hey. Hi guys, so today we are on our way to Portland. We're going to look at the properties that I told you about on the live. So starting off the video, I want you guys to make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like the video, and leave a comment letting me know what you think about the properties. Well, I was gonna ask you if you remember Rihanna, but since I lost all the Mandeville footage, you guys have never met him before. So we're gonna do new introductions. It's looking terrible in Kingston right now, so hopefully it's not looking so bad in Portland.
Okay.
Bye. Alright, so we're separated, so you won't see much of Rihanna until we get to Portland. But we're here with Sophia, which I think she might be on the phone still. Yes. Still on the phone?
I'll try to behave myself.
Hi, this is Sophia.
Hello.
A realtor with KW Jamaica. So we're on our way to Portland, as I told you guys. You can already see Sophia is an amazing driver by the way she reversed out.
It seems cloudy for now. I hope the cloud will go away and we'll have beautiful sunshine in Portland.
Hopefully. Do you want to tell them a little bit about the property or anything you want them to know about you?
Well, one of the properties I'm going to, it's around 5,500 square feet, two level, I would say split level home. It has a
it goes more
view.
down in the ground than...
No.
Oh, okay.
It's on 2 lots. It's on a slightly graded land, and it's 2 lots in one. So the owner built this beautiful 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home. It has a panoramic view of the Caribbean Sea. But when we get there, you'll see it.
You'll see. And then questions that I always get from people that I want to get out the way now is, where is the property located and what are the costs, or what are the listing prices?
The property is located in Friendship, that's Boston Bay, Friendship Heights. It's a nice tucked away retirement community. The reason why I say retirement is because it's mostly returning residents live there. Yeah, and they have nice homes up there.
Nice homes.
Yeah, the price range is the normal price range for that area is anywhere between 80 to about $120 million.
Okay, and that's
based
Jamaican.
on the type of homes, yeah. Jamaican dollars.
Jamaican dollars, because a lot of people have questions about why some people list in US currencies. they get so upset in the comments. They're like, this is Jamaica, it should be in Jamaican dollars. But there are reasons for that, guys. So stay tuned.
Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking. Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Hey.
Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger. We never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast, it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. What our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing.
Oh, I don't feel how I used to
anymore.
I don't hear from you like I used to
anymore.
guys, we're at the property. So let me try and get a little sneak peek of the house.
Mr. T, I don't know if you can hear me. Can
I'll be back. Have our masks on, masked up, you know, just for their safety and our safety. But this is what the house is looking like. Oh, rain a drop. It's drizzling. This is the property. It's big. It's very big. Just gonna get this look again. We're hoping that the clouds wouldn't be, you know, dampen the mood, but that's not gonna dampen our spirits. It's a nice place. For powder room. I'm trying to think of the name. I like the green tiles. I think the green tiles are unique. Because if you look in some videos, and then this is the study.
This is the garage.
Oh, that's the garage over there. So this is the office, and then that's the garage.
Alright, so you would drive in. Yeah. You would drive in from the automatic gate. And then you can either use, this is double car garage, or you have land space where you can park if you're having a function. Yes. This is a home, but it can be easily transformed into a villa because it has all the amenities to turn into a villa. This can be an office or an entertainment space. Yeah. And around there is, I'll show you later, around there is the utility section where all the electronics and the plumbings and stuff are.
Okay.
And the powder room, and here you have a nice veranda, patio, balcony, and it leads to another apartment over there. But for now, let's go upstairs.
Okay.
And see what the real first floor is.
Wow.
So this will be the first floor. So you will drive in. You can either drive in from the garage as I showed before.
Yes.
Or you can come around here. And it starts raining.
Oh.
Alright, so you can come around here.
Drive up.
And then you can enter from here.
And park.
And then you enter the house.
Let me lock the door because it's starting. This will edit out.
So you have the master bedroom section over there. And then you can open up the living area.
Yeah.
And then you open up. So all this beauty. Unfortunately, it's raining, so you can't see the magnificent view of the ocean.
Yes. Wow, this is so beautiful. You can't see the ocean because it's overcast right now and it's raining. But guys, take it from me, on a clear day, this is a great view.
Look at the greenery.
Yes.
So you get best of both worlds.
You get the mountain view and the sea view.
As well.
This is amazing. So again, the master bedroom is right through here. There's a kitchen on the actual first floor, and you can see a living area, another living. Okay, ready? Very next.
So you have the family room here.
Family room, guys.
It's an open concept.
Yes.
And you look and you see from this angle, you can see the sea as well.
Yes. So we're going to look through some of these windows. Can see. Making sure not to get anybody. Okay. Let's go over here. Real quick. The rain has calmed down a little. The nice breadfruit tree right there, guys. The kitchen. Again, the balcony. Everything just looks so amazing. And we're gonna head on into the kitchen. Okay. Head on into the kitchen. It's open concept. So it looks just like this. Ready?
And then you have guest bedroom.
Guest bedroom. Very high ceilings and nice closet space.
And then the bathroom.
Nice.
So the windows are soundproof.
Oh, really?
And weatherproof windows.
And this is
another guest bedroom.
guest bedroom.
I'm not sure if it's
If it's
prepared
yeah.
for.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
But the
then-
ceilings are very
Ooh.
high. The house
is nice if you have
comes
any
centrally. It's
artwork.
wired for central AC,
Mhm.
and it has 2 meters, one for the apartment downstairs, one for the main house.
Yes.
And it has over 10,000 gallon of water storage.
Mhm. And this is the kitchen again. Don't really wanna.
There's a filter as well that filters the water.
Okay. Oh, it comes with a dishwasher.
Yeah, dishwasher.
Right.
And it's being sold with everything.
It's being sold with
All
every.
appliances, all furnitures, you can change it out if you want, you can keep what you want.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. And the dining area.
Large dining area.
dining
So you
area.
can have a formal dining room if you want, or like a breakfast hook, because there's enough space for you to transform it into anything you want it to be.
Ah, okay.
These walls, the interior walls are sheetracking, so if you want to open up the space or redesign it, you can.
You can. Nice. So if you want to have an even
Larger
open
can.
concept, you
Yes,
can just
you
take
can
it
do
down
that.
and do that.
Let's go over the bedroom.
Yes, let's go over to the master bedroom, guys. Yeah.
So the master bedroom have double doors,
Nice.
and you have his and hers closet.
Mhm. His and hers. Hers. His.
Yes. And you have the
The bathroom.
large master bathroom. So you have the jacuzzi, you have the standing shower, and you have your water closet.
Nice. And
It
then
has
there's
all other storage.
extra storage.
Here as well. It's tiled from ceiling to floor.
Nice. And what is this? Is an extra
This is
closet?
yeah, that's a closet. And it's a large bedroom. So you can choose whichever view, whether you want to sleep with your head to the east, west, or south. You have enough room space to
To
decide.
do that. Yes, nice.
And you can see the sea view from your bedroom as well.
Yeah. Let me just go a little bit more.
So the master bedroom, you have all that sea
Oh,
view.
you know that rain really cleared it
Awesomeness.
up.
Yes.
So as you guys can see the view that we were trying to show you earlier, that rain did some justice. It's very spacious. Okay guys, since the sun came out, you can see oopsies, the view that we were telling you about. And trust me, it looks amazing. So see? Yeah. Alright.
There.
Mm-hmm. This is nice, guys.
And you have pear tree,
Pear tree is 2 breadfruit tree.
mango tree.
Yeah, well, lots of.
That's 2 pears. So you have another one.
Oh, and that one have a lot.
Yeah.
And that one already. Guys, you know what a pear tree looks like? Let's go a little closer. Or in America, you'd say avocado. Let's see. It's nice. Here's a side view of the property. Nice.
You have endless sight of sea.
Yes. Ready? So like we were saying earlier, you can drive the car, come up and park underneath that. Or you can stay down at the ground level. This is what the house looks like. Kind of has a wraparound veranda style. Yeah. The jump plum tree? Nice. You have endless resources on this. And you have an ackee tree.
There's ackee tree and there's custard apple.
Custard apple.
Let me show you the custard apple.
Guys, who need to go to the market when the market is on your property?
This is the custard apple tree.
Custard apple.
One is there, but
You dry up.
yeah.
Yeah.
There's actually two of them.
2 custard apple trees. You have some palm trees. Nice. So even if you want to come and sit down outside under one of your trees and enjoy the fruit, you have that option as well. And it's fenced up, so no need to worry about anybody coming into your property. Really nice. So there's an extra piece of land with the property. So altogether, what's the property size?
It's about 1.13 acres.
Okay, so about 1.13 acres. Then the containers included?
It's included. It has some storage things in it that goes along with the price of the house.
Oh, that's nice, guys. I want you guys to know that containers are expensive out here, about $400,000, and this looks like a 20-foot. No, let's see. Yeah, this is a 20-foot container. So that's nice. You're getting a lot with the property. The Brissett has the drone, so let me get out of his drone shot. So the additional lot is a half an acre.
So from about here, goes all the way back.
All the way back.
And then comes all the way to the corner lot. So this yard has actually the home has 2 corners.
Corners. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So with you be having this corner as well, no one can block your view.
Yeah.
So
even if you want to take down some of the trees or repurpose
you can build another villa here.
Yeah.
Or another home.
Or a pool, like what you're saying.
As you say.
Yeah.
You will always have the sea view at your access.
I'll see if I can get the shots from Brissett so I can include it so you guys can see the aerial, the bird's eye view of the property. This is nice.
So you can't run short of water because there's always water storage.
Always. And it's always raining in Portland, so you guys will be good on that. Yeah. Guys, look at Brissett doing his magic work.
I just want trees there.
I don't hear from you like I used to. I don't feel like I used to. Oh, I don't feel how I used to. I don't feel anymore. No, no. I don't hear from you like I used to. No, I don't feel like I used to.
Guys, so this is the apartment section of the ground floor. So you can rent this out and, you know, make some extra income. This is the kitchen. Let's just go around and look. kitchen area. And then it also, let's see where this leads. It leads to some extra storage. That's nice. Or if you do rent it out and you empty out all of this, this can be the person's little driveway and their veranda. If you get what I'm saying, because there's plenty of places to store things in the whole house. And remember that all the appliances are coming with the house. I think this might be all bedroom. I don't want to go all the way in. Bedroom, bathroom, closet. I said I didn't want to go all the way in and came all the way in. Extra closet. It's the bathroom. Nice. Let's walk out. Don't want trouble anybody's ears. I'll use that for the next unit. So right now I'm on my phone. So the apartment leads to the washroom. That's good. It's very spacious. And then there's also a door that can lead from the main house to where they keep the plumbing and things of the sort. And to the washroom, so you can keep your door closed. And you know, separate apartment, 1 bedroom apartment. Nice. And yeah, back out to the front. We're at Boston Jerk Center. I've never stopped at Boston Jerk Center before, so that's really cool. Look. This is real nice. Authentic Boston. I'm hungry now.
15.
They eat pork or chicken?
Chicken. Look, they have the chicken on the or it could be pork on the stick, yam stick, and them have it look like fish. This is nice. Boston jerk.
Alman! Yo! That's what's up? Yeah.
Yeah. This is nice. So they have guys, I'm in here with my mask on. Oh, let me go catch it. I'm in here with my mask on and I'm dying.
That's what, 500 a quarter. That's 1,000. And pound of pork is 1.8. That's what they say? Or 1.4. Is that fish over there?
Wait, the flyer pitch on it. The fly. Ew.
Put it in different.
I like so much fly. Alright.
You have to put the sauce on. Oh, yeah.
Any chicken there?
Huh? Not sure.
They ain't gonna go away.
Fish ready? Alright guys, so we're leaving Boston Jerk Center. We're gonna head on our way to Port Antonio. How was the pork? Lovely? Yeah. 10 out of 10 would recommend?
Definitely. That's what I'm taking home some of this.
Alright. So guys, for everybody who always asks whenever I come to Portland if I get to go to Boston Jerk Center, I'm finally here, finally made it. Now all I need to get to is Boston Beach for a day trip. And then we set on Portland.